For vocabulary today, we're doing dominoes. So if you have never played dominoes, it pretty much is like a matching game. So you're going to start in one spot and then you're going to work your way to the finish. But your starting has the definition and then you got to match, like it's got to touch each other. So whatever the answer to an addition problem is, that's the word that needs to go here. So we know that the answer to an addition problem is the word sum. So I'm going to take the domino that has the word sum and drag it up. So now you see how the word sum is touching the answer to an addition problem and they match each other. So now our definition is a number that tells you how many times we multiply the base by itself. So we're looking here. We're looking for how many times, what's that number that tells us, or what do we call that number that tells us how many times that multiply that base repeatedly. And we know that word is exponent. So I'm going to click and drag exponent to my domino over there. So notice the definition touches the word. And now I have a new definition, the answer to a subtraction problem. And I know that means difference. I'm going to drag my word difference. And now they touch. And now I have a new word, a phrase used to solve, order of operations. And I know that is PIMDAS. So then I'm going to drag my last domino to touch that definition with the word. And just to make sure, evaluate means to find the value or to solve, which that matches. They're touching each other, so that works. So we're good to go. Vocabulary is completed.